In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best heat press machines for 2025. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient machine for all your heat transfer projects, you're in the right place. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. HTVRONT Hot Heat Press Machine. The HTVRONT Hot Heat Press Machine is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts. This compact and portable machine is designed to make customizing your hats, caps, and other headwear an easy and efficient process. With its intuitive digital display screen, you can easily monitor the real-time temperature and countdown, ensuring your design is ironed perfectly every time. What makes this heat press unique is its adjustable heat settings. The range extends from 210 degrees Fahrenheit to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, with a maximum duration of 600 seconds. Whether you're working on a bucket hat, cowboy hat, or a small-size cap, this machine delivers fast and even heat distribution, thanks to its cast aluminum heat plate and negative temperature coefficient technology. This ensures a smooth, uniform press from edge to edge. Safety is also a priority, as the HTVRONT Hot Heat Press comes with an auto turn-off function after 15 minutes of inactivity, giving you peace of mind while you work. Plus, the easy-to-store, portable design makes it ideal for any workspace. The package includes everything you need: the heat press, a pressing lid, an ironing mat, a heat-resistant base, a travel bag, and a user manual. Whether you're creating personalized gifts, promoting a brand, or just having fun, this machine is the perfect tool to get creative with your hat designs. Number 4. VEVOR Combo Heat Press Machine. The VEVOR Combo Heat Press Machine is an impressive 5-in-1 multifunctional tool designed for a variety of sublimation projects. It features a 12-inch by 15-inch heat platen, which is coated with Teflon for a non-stick and stable surface, making it perfect for applying designs onto t-shirts, caps, mugs, plates, and more. With a temperature range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 95 degrees Celsius to 232 degrees Celsius, and a timer control of up to 999 seconds, this machine provides precise control over your heat transfer process. The machine is equipped with a 360 degrees swing-away feature, allowing the heating element to rotate fully, which reduces the risk of accidental contact and ensures even pressure application. The adjustable spring plate makes it easy to switch between different accessories, such as the cap press or mug press, enhancing its versatility. For ease of use, the VEVOR Combo Heat Press includes a digital controller with an LCD display, making it simple to set the desired temperature and time. It also has an audible alarm that notifies you when the set time is complete. The machine is built for durability, featuring an upgraded rubber handle that makes it more comfortable and labor-saving to use. Additionally, it comes with thermal insulation pads to improve the transfer effect and ensure better results. With all these features, the VEVOR Combo Heat Press Machine is a reliable, versatile, and efficient choice for any heat transfer project. Number 3. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine is a powerful, efficient tool designed to simplify your heat transfer projects. With a 15-inch by 15-inch heat plate, this machine is perfect for t-shirts, bags, fabrics, and more. Unlike traditional heat presses, this auto heat press eliminates the need for manual pressure adjustments. The machine automatically adjusts the pressure to suit the thickness of your materials with a maximum thickness of 2.5 centimeters. One of the standout features is its ease of use. With just one press, you can set the temperature and time, and the machine will handle the rest. It is equipped with a dual-zone heating engine that ensures fast and even heat distribution. The machine is capable of reaching a maximum temperature of 410 degrees Fahrenheit, 210 degrees Celsius, delivering excellent heat transfer results. Safety is a top priority as the heat press features thermal insulation protection, preventing burns while working. The touchable surface and pull-out drawer design enhance user safety and convenience. Additionally, the machine includes an auto shut-off feature after 10 minutes of inactivity, ensuring peace of mind. Whether you're working on small or large projects, the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press is a versatile and reliable option for DIY enthusiasts. With its user-friendly design and energy-efficient operation, it makes creating custom items easier and faster than ever before. Number 2. 15-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine. The 15-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine offers versatile capabilities for a wide range of heat transfer projects. With 15 different attachments, it is ideal for applying designs to t-shirts, hats, mugs, plates, pens, shoes, and even footballs. This all-in-one machine caters to both hobbyists and commercial users, allowing for limitless creative possibilities. The 360-degree swing-away design ensures safe and easy operation by moving the heating element away from the work surface, reducing the risk of burns. Its dual-tube heating technology delivers faster and more even heat distribution, ensuring high-quality transfers every time. Equipped with a precise digital controller, this machine allows you to customize the temperature and time settings for different materials. The interactive display lets you switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit for convenience and accuracy. For added safety, the machine includes dual insulation technology and an automatic shutdown feature after extended periods of inactivity, preventing overheating and ensuring peace of mind during operation. The machine's non-stick Teflon-coated platen is not only easy to clean, but also prevents scorching, contributing to its long-lasting durability. The comprehensive accessory package includes various sized mug presses, plate presses, a cap press, and more, along with free gifts like t-shirts and sublimation papers. With its high-quality build and safety features, the 15-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine is a reliable choice for anyone looking to expand their heat transfer capabilities, whether for personal projects or business use. Number 1. VEVOR Auto Heat Press Machine. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine is designed for efficiency and convenience, making it perfect for heat transfer projects like t-shirts, HTV, and sublimation. One of its key features is the automatic down and up function, allowing hands-free operation. With a simple one-button press, the heating plate lowers, and once the pressing is done, it automatically lifts, freeing you from constantly monitoring the machine. This machine also offers adjustable pressure from 20 to 80 kilograms, meeting the specific needs of various projects. Whether you're pressing delicate items or thicker materials, this customizable pressure ensures the best results. The increased pressure range and 4.5 centimeter height clearance make it suitable for thicker items like sweaters, blankets, or quilts, expanding your creative possibilities. The ergonomic design of the display screen allows you to adjust the angle between 0 and 75 degrees, ensuring comfortable operation for users of all heights. The larger screen size compared to the previous model makes it easier to read and manage your settings. Safety is a top priority with the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine. It includes an automatic shut-off feature after 15 minutes of inactivity and a power-off lifting design that raises the heating plate when the power is lost. Additionally, the two-hand operation ensures the heating plate will not burn you, providing extra protection during use. This machine combines convenience, versatility, and safety for all your heat press projects. There you have it, the top 5 best heat press machines for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these machines offer something for everyone. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.